At Tile Outlet, etc., we know that there's times that you want to do your own project. You want to build your own shower, but may not have the knowledge to do so. That's where I come into play. Being an old tile installer, I can guide you through the easiest way to install a shower or put up wallboard, whatever you're going to do to prepare for the tile. What I'm standing in front of right now is a model showing one of the systems we offer. There's a couple different things you can use. Instead of the old traditional way of putting Durarock, the heavy concrete board that's very heavy, you drill through it, it breaks apart, you got to tape it, and then you got to do 2 coats of waterproof membrane. We offer waterproof boards that are as light as a feather. These are waterproof back, waterproof front, and a mold-resistant core. This is easy to put up on the wall and tile right over it. There's also, if you've got sheetrock or you have another type of wall to go over, we have waterproof membrane that you can put over the top of that to encase your shower so it doesn't leak. We have pre-sloped floors with drains. It's very easy. Come in to Tile Outlet, etc. Let me show you how you can save thousands of dollars and install this yourself. We have what you want at Tile Outlet, etc. right off I-94 next to Cabela's, 763-494-8663, or you can go to our website, tileoutletetc.com.